Welcome to Study Loop.
Now, if a firework explodes mid-air, the each fragment takes a parabolic path while falling down, and it illuminates its path all along the way, so you can see the trails of so you can see its trails, and it will be very clear that these paths are curved, but of course they're parabolic, which is a little more mathematical. Now, what would happen if there were no gravity? If there were no gravity, they simply wouldn't curve downwards as they do in real life. So the fragments would simply go radially away from the blast. That is it.